Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code Goldflake in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
What is error code Goldflake? Content error code Goldflake is a common connection issue encountered by Call of Duty Warzone players primarily, indicating a problem with the game client's ability to maintain a stable connection to Activision's servers. Players often experience abrupt disconnections from matches, inability to join games, or failure to access online services, sometimes accompanied by a specific error message setting Goldflake. While it can sometimes stem from local network problems, it is frequently associated with server-side outages, maintenance, or high traffic, making it a frustrating and often difficult to resolve error without understanding its common root causes. Step: check official server status and 10 before troubleshooting your own setup. The first critical step is to verify the operational status of Activision's Call of Duty servers. Error code Goldflake is frequently triggered by widespread server issues, scheduled maintenance, or unexpected outages that are beyond individual player control. Visit the official Activision Omen Services status page, support Activision Humming Services, or check dedicated Call of Duty community forums and social media accounts for real-time updates. If the servers are reported as down or experiencing problems, patience is key, as the issue lies with Activision and requires no local intervention from your end. Step: troubleshoot your network connection content. If Activision servers appear stable, the next logical step involves examining your local network for potential connectivity issues. Begin by power cycling your router and modem. Unplug them from power for 10 seconds, then plug them back in and wait for all indicator lights to stabilize before relaunching Warzone. Ensure you are using a wired Ethernet connection if possible, as it provides greater stability than Wi-Fi. Additionally, consider temporarily disabling any or proxy services you might be using and try flushing your cache or switching to public servers like Goldflake or Cloudflare above all to resolve potential routing problems.
Step: verify game files and update Warzone content. Corrupted or outdated game files can also lead to connectivity errors like Goldflake. By preventing the game from properly communicating with servers, for players, open your Battle.net client, select Call of Duty Warzone, click the gear icon options, and choose Scan and Repair. This process will check for and fix any damaged game files. For console players, ensure your game is fully updated to the latest version by checking for system and application updates. An outdated game client might struggle to connect to servers that have been updated, resulting in connection failures and error codes.
Step: review firewall settings and contact support content if the previous steps haven't resolved error code Goldflake. Review your system's firewall settings. Ensure that Call of Duty Warzone and its associated executables are whitelisted or have exceptions in your Windows firewall or any third-party antivirus firewall software. Temporarily disabling your firewall for a test with caution can help confirm if it's the culprit. You may also need to check if specific ports required by Warzone are open in your router settings. Port forwarding is a last resort. Consider contacting Activision support directly through their website. Provide them with detailed information about the error code, the steps you've already taken, and any relevant network diagnostic reports to assist them in troubleshooting more complex or account-specific connection issues.